So let's just talk about, I'm gonna hop on the bike here. We have an awesome 2024 KTM 300XC that we're checking out here. So some of the things we need to focus on, we're gonna talk about our head. First thing is keeping our chin up and looking out in the distance, also getting strong head turns. Where a lot of people get lost in their turns is they're trying to look through that turn with their eyeballs, and you actually lose depth perception in that process. So the big key to that is don't point with your eyeballs. You actually want to do a strong head turn and get that chin pointed in that direction. Now there's a caveat to that. If you turn your head and you're pointing your chin down at the ground, you're telling your bike to go down in a natural resting position down on its side. So as you're making those turns, keep that chin up, keep it proud, keep it up in the air, okay? So,